The iPhone 13 Pro Max, which has been feeling obsolete in terms of size, weight, and camera, may be upgraded to the iPhone 17 Pro. A 48-megapixel telephoto camera is anticipated for the iPhone 17 Pro, which would substantially enhance and brighten up close-up images. The device's reduced size and weight make it easier to transport and use for extended periods of time. Although the iPhone 16 Pro's battery lasts around 16 hours during browsing testing, the Pro Max could have a longer battery life. With the 13 Pro Max's battery starting to age, the 17 Pro may be more than sufficient for everyday use if it improves on that. It is anticipated that the iPhone 17 Pro's front camera would be enhanced to 24 megapixels, which would be significant for selfie enthusiasts. The 13 Pro Max's 12-megapixel selfie camera performs admirably in bright light, but the quality degrades in low light. A more advanced, clearer selfie camera might make spontaneous picture opportunities more enjoyable and practical. There are trade-offs to take into account, though. Even the standard Pro model may perform better than what the consumer now uses, even though the Pro Max may offer a longer battery backup due to Apple's efficiency enhancements. The overall performance and features would make the phone seem fresh and exciting once more, even though the speculated redesign of the camera area with an island-style arrangement across the back of the phone may be a daring move. Last but not least, the iPhone 17 Pro is probably going to be less expensive than the Pro Max, which makes it a more alluring choice for people on a budget who want a phone. With increased mobility, excellent cameras, enhanced performance, and all pro-level capabilities without being overly large or expensive, the iPhone 17 Pro appears to have found its sweet spot overall. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.